Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Matt and this is the Coin Pursuit, the pursuit to financial freedom. So in today's video, I'm going to be talking to you about why I started Amazon FBA and give you some information that hopefully can shape your opinion and help you decide if you want to join this Amazon reselling journey. So yeah, let's get into the video. I began my journey around about 2 years ago now. I saw a lot of things in regarding to Amazon FBA many more years before that. So I was originally heard of the concept Amazon FBA in 2017. So I had a lapse with mental health and I was off work for a while, and I kept seeing on Instagram and YouTube about Amazon FBA, like a side hustle I never thought of before or never really seen. I thought it was a money-making scam, to be honest. I thought people were just trying to sell courses and, you know, join their groups or whatever, and you didn't really make any money. And it was just something on the back burner I just wanted to look into as a potentially another form of income. I was doing eBay reselling, so I was going to boot fairs and charity shops. We were going there buying little things and then reselling them on eBay for a profit. So yeah, it just kind of led me down that route. Fast forward to 2019 is when I actually bit the bullet, sat down and went through a load of videos. I mean, there's hundreds of videos like this on the internet, and I was just going through what is it, how Amazon FBA works, what is Amazon FBA, like what was the difference, you know, between fulfillment by Amazon and, you know, selling just by yourself as a merchant and things like that. And then the snowball happened and I finally decided to set up a separate bank account. I have a Starling bank account, and I thought, right, I'm going to put £500 of my own money. I've saved this up, but if I lose this, I know that I've only lost £500, and you know, sometimes the biggest risk is the first step. So that's what I did. I spoke to someone on Instagram. We basically sat down, had a video call and just spoke about what's my next steps. We spoke about putting the £500 in the account and just going from there. The real reason why I just wanted to start Amazon was kind of just, I kept seeing things like, oh, financial freedom and, you know, it's extra income and stuff like that. So, and that's why I kind of started this journey. And I hope, obviously, if you're looking to have a side income or, you know, a bit of extra cash, etc., then this might be something for you. So I'm just going through why I decided many years ago. So once we got all that set out and mapped out, that was it. Straight for the shops. I didn't want to like set up a business or anything like that straight away because I didn't want to go quote unquote balls deep, because I might not even liked the process. I mean, eBay is relatively simple. You know, you just buy something, you list it on eBay, hope it sells, etc., etc. Amazon, there's a couple more hoops you have to go through, and you know, sending things into Amazon and they're not in your control, etc., etc. So that's why I started small and then grew.
That's what she said.
So to recap, the reason why I started Amazon FBA was, one, I wanted extra income, low maintenance compared to eBay. So it was just kind of, you package everything in, you send it up into Amazon warehouse. Amazon does its thing, it's a conglomerate, it will just sell it for you. And you kind of just receive the money off the back end, but you have to pay a third of, you know, the fees sort of thing. And that was really it in a nutshell. If you are interested in becoming a reseller, then subscribe to the channel, because I'm going to be putting this into a mini series where you can follow along the process and it will go more in depth. If you like this video, please leave it a thumbs up on the channel. It will really help the channel grow. And if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments section down below and I will try and get back to you as soon as possible. And yeah, thank you for watching this video, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Peace. If you are interested in reselling, then please subscribe to the channel. This is going to become a mini series going into in-depth. Fuck's sake, this is like If you are interested in reselling, then please subscribe to the channel because this is going to become a fucking retake.
We're definitely starting a bloopers section at the end of your video.
If you are interested in reselling, then please subscribe to the channel. I'm going to make this a mini. Why is the signing out bit the hardest bit? If you're interested. If you are interested in
reselling, then please make sure to subscribe to the channel, as this will be a mini-series.
There we go. We've said it. We're done. Cheers.